In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do 2D animation in Higgsfield AI. We'll walk through the exact options you need and why they matter so your results look clean, consistent, and ready for motion. Start by opening your browser and going to the Higgsfield AI website. Once the page loads, look along the top navigation and choose the image section. This is where you'll create the 2D art that forms the foundation of your animation. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want to see. For animation-friendly outputs, be clear about subject, pose, and style. Phrases like flat colors, cel-shaded, bold outlines, vector style, or cartoon line art help the model avoid unnecessary textures. Add scene context such as background type, lighting, and mood. If consistency matters across multiple shots, repeat key style phrases every time. Keep prompts simple. Avoid private or sensitive details, and use commas to separate attributes for clarity. Next, choose the model. Different models lean toward different looks, so pick one that aligns with illustration or 2D styles. If you're unsure, start with a balanced general model, then try an illustration-focused option to compare. The goal is to find a model that produces crisp edges, even shading, and minimal noise, traits that translate well into animation. Select your quality setting. Higher quality can add detail, but for animation it's often better to prioritize clean shapes and consistent forms over hyper detail. If you're exploring ideas quickly, choose a lighter quality to iterate faster, then bump it up once you've dialed in the look you want. Choose your aspect ratio. This is crucial for animation pipelines. Match the ratio to your intended timeline or platform, such as 16.9 for landscape videos, 9:16 for vertical, or 1:1 for square. Locking this choice now saves you from reframing later. Set the batch size. A larger batch gives you multiple variations with one click, which is great for selecting the best key pose or testing small style tweaks. If you're watching resources, start small, note what works in the best result, and regenerate with refined prompts. When everything looks good, click Generate. Give the system a moment to process. As images appear, evaluate them for line clarity, color uniformity, and pose readability. Pick outputs that feel consistent and easy to animate. You can reuse the same prompt and settings to maintain visual continuity across additional shots. That's it. By refining your prompt, choosing an appropriate model, dialing in quality, setting the right ratio, and using batch size strategically, you'll create strong 2D assets that flow smoothly into your animation workflow.